Hey guys, welcome back to Chill Silver and such. Today I just wanted to do something pretty quick and pretty fun. I know you guys, I've seen probably a good bit of these, but I wanted to do a little unboxing. And this is like the second box of the month I would get. So like at the beginning of the month, because I get paid at the beginning of the month, um, I'll get, my heavy stacking box, the box that's going to have my big bars, or it's going to have a lot of small 1 ounce rounds in it. It's going to have, my stuff that I'm going to stack heavy with. My second box usually comes mid-month, and that's like when I feel like, okay, I got some money that I can spend here or there, and then I'll pick out something really cool or something that works towards my goal or a goal of mine that I want to do, and I'll put it towards that. So like some of this will be putting towards my Morgan Dollar collection goal, getting some gold, that goal, and a couple other things. And of course, just things that I just want or just like, that look cool that I want. So, yeah, I just want to explain that. So this is just kind of my, hey, look, I saw it and I wanted it type of box. This is the back half or the back end of my budget. We know it's all heavy front loaded with the smaller 1 ounce rounds, things like that, or not smaller, I should say. It's front loaded with all that weight, that I'm trying to stack with. So this is going to be the stuff that the box has the cool stuff in it. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. This comes from my local coin shop. They actually will, I've known them for a long time, they will mail stuff to me, and sometimes I'll go pick it up, but they're not in the same town as me. They're 2 towns over, so sometimes they'll mail it to me if it's a good amount of stuff. But if it's just a few coins or something, I'll just stop by and pick it up. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on now. I don't know, I know a couple things that are in here, but there's some things in here that they were kind of a surprise. Sometimes they'll just say, hey, I got something really cool, I'm just gonna send it with you, and if you like it, you can keep it and pay me later, and if you don't, then just bring it back. And I was like, okay, sounds good. So let's open this up and see what we got. I'll try to turn it this way and so everybody can see. So the first thing up I see on top here, well, actually I just pull up everything. Okay, so that's everything. Yeah, that's everything in the box. I see some coins in there, but I'm gonna scoot that all back. The first thing I saw pop out was this. It looks like maybe a gram of gold or something. I can't really tell, but let's dive into that and see what that is. Like I said, most of this stuff I don't really know what it is. So we're going to be finding out together. But I think this is going to be a gram of gold. Is what it looks like. And these bubble wrap bags are kind of, I really don't like these bubble wrap bags. They're fun to play with, but not so easy to get into. Okay, it's not a gram of gold. Looks like, okay, it's a 20th ounce Canadian maple leaf. I don't know if you guys can see that, how good you can see that. Yeah, it's 20th ounce, a 20th of an ounce. Pretty cool. That's one of the things I didn't order from him. I guess he put that in there, but I think I'm going to hang on to that. It says Executive Coin Company. Let's see what's in this. I don't know. I don't remember this either. It's in like this bag. Okay. Wow. This is an 1853 Philadelphia seated Liberty dime. Wow. Look at this. Now, this is something I was not expecting. Wow, look at the shape, man. Look at the shape that's in. Holy moly. I'm trying to get where you guys can see. Wow, look at that. Now, I was definitely not expecting this, but I'm going to have to hold on to this too. Wow. Look at the shape that's in. He knows what I like. I'll just put it that way. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, so we're really 2 for 2, doing well. Okay, we'll get into, I'm going to leave this, the big thing, for last. So let's go through these coins and like little small stuff here. All right, we got a bag. Oh, it's a Kennedy $50, 64. Okay, this is 90%. Cool. I don't remember ordering this one either. I know I got some Morgans, which I see a Morgan there on top, but I don't remember getting, I think he just kind of threw these in, but yeah. That's a 64 Kennedy, 90%er. Depends how much he wants for that. I mean, usually he does me, he gives me good deals on that, so I may hang on to that. We'll see. All right. So, well, these are all in one bag. Okay. These might be all the Morgans that I ordered. I have some in my series that the 1900s, 1900 to 1904 that I don't have. I ordered some of those. He said he would basically get them to me whenever he got them. So, let's see what we got. Okay, so the first one right off the bat. Okay, this is an 1888. Okay. I did order these a while back, so maybe he had just got them in. I'm gonna have to take one glove off to open the bag, guys. Sorry, give me 1 second. I can't open these little bitty bags with these gloves on. I ordered these at different times. So like this is an 1888, which is one of the years that I needed. And it just, I guess, didn't come in till now. But man, wow, look at that. Beautiful coin. 1888, Philadelphia. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Yep. So I know I had ordered that one, not the most recent purchase, but I know I'd ordered it a couple weeks ago. This is one that I had ordered recently. This one here. This is a 1901 Morgan. It's a New Orleans mint. I ordered it very recently. Beautiful coin, 1901. New Orleans. You see right there. Beautiful coin. He gets some really nice uncirculated or AU Morgans, and I just tell him, hey, whenever you find them, let me know, because I'll probably buy them from you. So anyway, now we got a couple things left here in the small category. We got this little brown bag, and then this, which, holy crap, dude. I ordered this weeks ago. This is a George Washington, what they call the Praying George. It's just him with his horse praying before they cross the Delaware River. And this is an intaglio mint, I think. 1 of 500 minted. This is very low mintage. Look at that. Well, yeah, and I ordered this a while back. Look at that. I don't know if you can really see that, but it says total 500 mintage right above where it says Mint Club. Wow. I've been waiting on this for a while, guys. This makes the package. And this is the reason why I like this, because these are things that not necessarily are going to put in a stack to stack weight, but this is just something really cool that I just wanted. That's awesome. That's awesome. Been waiting for that for a while. All right, well, we're doing really well here. Let's go on to this little brown package and what we got here. Let's see what we got. See if I can slide it out of there. Oh, looks like some gold. What else is in there? Okay, nothing else in there. Yeah. What the heck is this? Oh, it's a 10th ounce combi bar. 10th ounce of what I'm guessing was an ounce of gold combi bar. Huh. That's pretty cool. I definitely have to keep that too. And here's an 1880. Nope. 1886 Morgan. I think this is one of the ones I ordered a couple weeks ago. So there's the reverse. It's an O. 1886 O. Beautiful coin. Right there. I almost mistaked it for an 1880. But yeah, beautiful coin. And those go towards my Morgan collection, which I'm trying to get one of every year. So I'm slowly but surely meeting that goal. But let's move on to the, those are attached together. Let's move on to these. Oh, there's some coins in here. I may have to cut this open. This is kind of well packaged. But I guess that makes sense, being that it's, you know, gold and silver. I'd rather have it well packaged than not. Ah, okay. These look like generic rounds, I think. Yeah, they are. They're all just in flips for some reason. Yeah, just generic silver rounds. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, 1 ounce silver rounds. They're all in flips, which is strange, but I'm not gonna complain about that. Oh, there's 2 in that one. 2 in that one. There's 2 in that one, and 1 in that one. So that's 5 ounces total there. Pretty cool. I know I ordered a good bit of those in my first big bulk order, so maybe he just threw those in the second order that he didn't have enough in the first, maybe. I don't know what this could be. This is the problem. Just getting these things open. But it's always exciting. I mean, even when you know what's coming, even when you know, hey, I know I ordered this or that, there's always something that could surprise you. Especially if you have a good LCS. I'm telling you guys, get out there and get a good rapport with an LCS, get a good relationship going, because they take care of you in the long run. That's the biggest thing I can tell someone, is to get a good relationship with an LCS going. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looks like we got some more gold in here. Okay, yeah, I remember ordering this. No, this is a 10th ounce coin. I remember ordering this one. Oh man, he's got them all in this bubble wrap. It's so hard to get out. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So this is a 10th ounce golden Britannia, and just because I have a 10th ounce American Gold Eagle, I have a 10th ounce Canadian Maple Leaf, but I didn't have the 10th ounce Britannia. And it's beautiful. I just wanted to go ahead and kind of complete the sovereign set, I guess you'd say. Beautiful little coin there. Love, love, love the little 10 ounce gold coins. Looks like that's it, guys. So yeah, let's lay out our haul here. So there's the 5 ounces there. There was that gold Britannia. Our Praying George there. And we got the 86 Morgan. Then there is the 1901 Morgan. Here's our 64 Kennedy. That's the 88 Morgan. A unbelievable, absolutely crazy 1853 seated Liberty dime. 10th ounce combi bar, gold, little gold bar. And then our little 20th ounce or 20th of an ounce little maple leaf there. So that's our entire haul there, guys. And like I said, this is my secondary, I guess, purchase of the month, which would be not necessarily for stacking heavy or anything. It's just things that, like, say I wanted to buy, or things I thought were cool and really wanted, or, you know, working towards a goal with the Morgans. And also, like I said, you get in good with a good LCS. They'll throw in cool stuff for you. And if you like I told you guys before, usually what happens is he'll send me stuff and say, hey, if you like it, you can keep it. Just pay me next time you come in. If you don't like it, just bring it back in whenever you come in next. So I mean, I see him so much. That's stuff we can do. But I highly recommend getting in good with an LCS so you can get, you know, stuff like this. But also, it just goes to show, this is the stuff that I'm trying to, you know, keep stacking on, especially the generic rounds. Big time right there. And then I'm trying to get a little bit more gold in the stack as well. But yeah, always a little cool little find every now and then too. But guys, that's all I got for you this week. Hope you guys have had a great week. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, all that stuff. And I'll see you guys next week. Thanks.